Pepe?
It's funny how he keeps going around the chair. Just around and around.
Pepe, where's my baby?
Where's Pepe?
I feel bad for the guy now.
He did it to himself.
Can you do it, Pepe?
He found something to play with.
What's a silly kitty like you do it?
Where's Pepe?
Pepe!
Jane, blood, kitties. Pepe! Pepe! Oh, there you are. Hi! Where'd you go? You know, I could have done that on purpose, but I wouldn't have even thought of that. I mean, I never would have thought of that. If I had known how much fun it was, I would have done it on purpose.
A long time ago.
Yeah, exactly.
Pepe!
Pepe!
Oh, Daddy. No.
What are you doing? You need some help?
No, don't help him.
Hey, you need some help? Well, here, you stand on your head like that, okay? And does that work?
Oh.
What are you doing in there?
Let's see his face. Hi, Pepe!
He's still watching. Let's see if he does it again. There you go. Oh, I just pointed out to Anthony how he had taken it off and was playing with it. And then you come up, and by then, in the 15 seconds, he stuck his head in.
I wish I would have gotten him when he was going in circles around the chair. What happened, babe?
Oh, just stand on my foot a little longer.
What?
Scared now.